Hey friend, thanks for watching this video where today we're going to do a breakdown of 3D configuration and customization for B2C brands. So let's get into it. The whole life cycle matters. What that means is that the full end-to-end process and all of the integration from the time someone browses your store in person to their digital experience on your website is how transparent you are, and that affects your brand and it affects the overall customer experience. So what I want to do today is I want to take a look at what is currently being shown on some B2C brands. So let's start with Neiman Marcus. Neiman Marcus is a high-end retail department store, and when we take a look at how they portray their products online, you really can't get a sense of, there's no transparency, right? These images are static. There's no options for customization or configuration or Zoom interactive features. You really can't look inside, and we can't make changes to the color or add in compartments or anything else additionally. So really, there is no way for me to understand what that will really look like before I order it online. Let's take a look at Amazon. We all know Amazon, one of the biggest e-commerce platforms, and here they do a great job with lots of photos, and it does a great job displaying the shoe, but lots of photography costs is needed, which can be extremely expensive as variations become available. We see these static images on some of the biggest B2C players. What can their online experience actually look like? Well, it can be truly immersive. If they implement 3D configuration, you can get full transparency into their product with 360-degree rotation and zoom in and out features. It's educational, and shoppers want to be educated before making a buyer decision. In fact, 60% of shoppers want to do their own research before ever speaking to sales. So the ability to adapt, evolve, and embrace e-commerce trends like product customization, augmented reality, and 3D configurations have really paved the way for a growth in sales that can really make a difference. So let's take a look at some brands that are actually doing these things. Newbury Cricket is a company that makes handmade cricket bats, equipment, and clothing and supplies. Their online bat builder is extremely high in rendering quality, and it shows details like spine profile, bat length, face profile, handle shape and length, and much, much more. The online configurator does an excellent job at displaying each change as the customer personalizes it to their perfect bat. Next, Creighton Barrel. You may have heard of Creighton Barrel. They are a well-known furniture brand that sells in the US, Canada, and franchises in countries in Europe. They work with 3Kit, a 3D and AR platform that gives their customers the ability to plan and create their own sectional from each piece to each piece fabric combination that they would like. And the photos that you see on the site are not actually photographs. They're actually taken by a 3D rendering that take a fraction of the time to create and a fraction of the cost is typical photography. If you want more information on 3D product configuration and customization, schedule some time with the team at 3Kit. Links are in the description below.